Gledate oddajo Klepet ob kavi.
Drage gledalke in gledalci, dobrodošli v eno od oddaj, v kateri si bomo pogledali največ, kar na tem planetu sploh obstaja glede svete geometrije. Pa najprej poglejmo, kaj dr. Luka Mancini pravi o tem, ali je geometrija res lahko sveta.
V geometriji je vse eksaktno. Geometrija je dejansko eden izmed jezikov, s katerim lahko opisujemo vesolje. Tako kot imamo naprimer v fiziki enačbe, ki jih pa mi laiki težko razumemo, tiste enačbe so za nas kot neke kitajske pismenke, ampak po drugi strani imamo pa geometrijske risbe, so ravno tako lahko en tak zgoščen zapis nekih aspektov vesolja, tako kot je zgoščen zapis neka enačba od Einsteina.
Hvala lepa doktorju Manciniju za te čudovite misli, ki so pravo izhodišče za našo današnjo oddajo. V našem studiu imamo namreč kar celo strukturo zvezdnih vrat Stargate. Nosilec te izjemne strukture pa prihaja tudi letos k nam iz Združenih držav Amerike, živel je na otoku Maui, to je Pragit Harris, z nami pa je v studiu tudi kar mednarodna organizatorka celotnega gibanja, delavnic, velikih dogodkov Sandra Lamut. Dobrodošla oba. Hello Pragit, welcome back to Slovenia. It's so wonderful to have you back. You've been to Slovenia many times now. I've just said this is becoming really a big global family, global movement of Stargate. We've already hosted you before, but could you tell us a little bit about what the Stargate is?
Well, the Stargate came to me actually many, many years ago, over 30 years ago, and it's a sacred geometrical structure. And strangely enough, it actually is an anchor for a higher dimensional consciousness, which is actually difficult for most people to accept at first. But Alcazar, who's the guide for the Stargate, described this consciousness very similar to our own consciousness, because you have a consciousness and it's anchored in your physical structure. So it's that actual etheric, energetic consciousness that works with us in the various seminars and workshops that we do around the world.
Would you say it's etheric consciousness from higher dimensions, so it can be very beneficial for us, right?
Absolutely, yeah. It's actually Alcazar, who's the guide of the whole Stargate project, is what they call a universal master. And it's just a whole group of beings, a group of guides who are really just focused on supporting humanity in its evolution. We are going through a major shift of evolution right now.
And last year I know you hosted a huge international event in Slovenia. Let me ask Sandra to explain what really happened. Torej, Sandra, dobrodošla. Letos spet gostimo veliko mednarodno konferenco, pa nam najprej malo povej o tem, kako je bilo pravzaprav lansko leto. V Portorožu, je tako?
Tako, ja. Dogodek je bil izredno uspešen na vseh nivojih. Udeležencev je bilo 555 udeležencev praktično iz celega sveta, več kot 40 držav sveta je bilo prisotnih in ljudje so bili zelo zadovoljni samim dogajanjem. Delavnica je bila 4 dni. In kar je najbolj pomembno, ko smo dobili tudi nazaj povratne informacije od ljudi, kako se jim je dejansko življenje začelo drastično spreminjati po tem dogodku. Sama tema dogodka je bila Koda za novo človeštvo, ki smo jo sidrali prvič v Sloveniji. In dejansko je vsak posameznik dobil točno to, kar je v danem trenutku potreboval, in nadaljevanje potem konkretno v življenjskih situacijah so poročali ljudje, da se jim je življenje res spremenilo na bolje. Od službe, odnosov, manifestiranja, denarja, pač vsak, kar je dejansko na nek način želel.
Pa tudi tolmačeno je bilo kar v 8 jezikov, lahko na to računamo tudi letos, ko bo konec aprila spet veliki dogodek.
Ja, dejansko, tako. No, rada bi še mogoče poudarila to, da je bilo prevajano v 8 različnih jezikov in pa tudi predvajano je bilo v živo. To se pravi, ljudje so lahko, več kot 1000 udeležencev je praktično lahko spremljalo tudi online.
Tisti, ki so želeli priti na ta dogodek, pa je zmanjkalo sedežev in so potem lahko spremljali v živo. So, Pragit, we're explaining a little bit about last year's event here in Slovenia and Portorož, right? And something very, very special happened. It was anchoring the way Alcazar says, the way you explained it, it was blueprint for new humanity. Can you explain what that blueprint actually entails?
Well, the blueprint for a new humanity was a whole energetic process that we shared in Slovenia. And a blueprint in English is the plan that you have. If you're going to create a building, you have a blueprint, and then you start working to actually build from that blueprint. Well, this energetic blueprint for new humanity is something which is actually shared into our energy fields. It's something which we work towards, and the blueprint actually works a bit like a magnet. So it starts to draw us into a place of higher consciousness, more awareness, more love, more abundance. So it's something that if the person has an intention for a more positive life, a more positive change, then the blueprint actually starts to help move them towards that.
You mentioned intention. Often people think, okay, it's enough to just imagine something or ask for it and it's just automatically done. And it's a little bit of a paradox, right? Can you explain that, the power of intention and then nothing to do, the way Alcazar explains it?
Well, again, this is kind of a new concept for most people, but we don't create by what we do. We create by our vibration. So every thought that we have, every word that we speak, every feeling, every repressed emotion, it's all vibration. And so we're constantly vibrating an unseen energetic. And it's that energetic that actually draws to us similar vibrations. So if you're living in joy and celebration and appreciation, you start to draw things to you that you appreciate more, that bring you more joy. But if you're in frustration and anger, then you keep on creating those same things. You attract them into your life.
And you often mention that we create from quantum field rather than just this physical reality. Can you just quickly explain to our audience what quantum field is?
Well, that's a really vast topic. The quantum
For
field,
another show, maybe.
Well, another series, I think, yeah. The quantum field is the vast energetic that includes everything. It includes the whole of the universes, because there's more than one. It includes literally every dimension, every realm. They all exist within the quantum field. And also within that field is our potentials, the many potentials that we have. So each decision we make sets us along towards a different potential. So the Stargate work is about assisting people align with the best potential for their life's path.
Perfect, this is wonderful. And I know Sandra has been traveling with you over the last year. So maybe Sandra can explain, and you can both explain, what have you witnessed working in many, many countries of Europe and globally, from Brazil to, I don't know even which countries you have been to, many.
Yeah.
And of course, people can find that online. What specific changes have you noticed that are much stronger now? Any physical healings maybe? Any changes in abundance?
Yes, actually, pravzaprav vse, pravzaprav vse, kar ste omenila. Dejansko pri ljudeh veliko je fizičnega zdravljenja, konkretno, tudi težje ozdravljivih bolezni. Je pa res pomembna tudi ta namera, ne? In do nekako ustvarjanja, to se pravi bolj bogatega življenja, ljudje dejansko čutijo tudi, da se spreminjajo, da se pomlajujejo na fizičnem nivoju, ne samo v energijskem nivoju, in pa seveda zamenja se percepcija samega razmišljanja. Ko si v teh energijah, dejansko začneš razmišljati drugače, kot smo ga vajeni skozi programirano na nek način razmišljanje. In ogromno je opuščanja starih programov, recimo, ker ogromno imamo privzgojenih različnih programov, in to se z delom z veznimi vrati pri teh meditacijah na delavnicah opušča in dejansko ljudje začenjajo tudi bolj svobodno živeti. Dejansko si dobijo to notranjo moč, da lahko sami spreminjajo svojo realnost, kar je ključnega pomena. Ne? Ker to se mi zdi, da je zelo problematično v današnji družbi, da dejansko si sam svoj gospodar, sam poskrbiš za to, na kak način boš živel.
In predstavljam si, da je potem dosti lažje, ko si sproščen v teh vodenih meditacijah, lažje, ker se stvari v telesu spremenijo, vibracije spremenijo. So Sandra was explaining all the benefits from physical healings to changing our perception about what life is. So Brigitte, what have you noticed working with not only the participants of last year's big conference with more than 500 people, but in the course of growing family of Stargate in this world, many people have changed completely.
Well, it's amazing because as we travel around the countries, and we've been all over dozens of different countries. In fact, in Slovenia, there were more than 40 different countries represented last year.
Right.
And we're expecting more this year. What we found is that people start to realize that whatever country they come from, we're all similar. We all have the similar desires. We all want to live in love and peace and abundance and mutual respect. And that's what the Stargate is sharing, this family feeling. And these workshops create a space where people are just in tears of joy, as well as laughter and celebration. It's like a coming home. It's something that's really difficult to put into words, but it's such a heartfelt experience. And on top of that, people change. Change happens.
Right, and people reported getting connected with their either ancestors or their guides, or they report finding something that they've never felt before, right? Yeah.
Well, in the so-called New Age, there's all kinds of talks about angels and ascended masters and so on, and it's just a concept to most people. The Stargate experience is about making that concept real. We invite those beings into the room, and people can feel them coming in. And there's usually several people in the audience who can actually see them coming in. And so it's a great confirmation to everyone, because it's something that becomes real. And having an understanding that this is real, then you start to work with these guides in a different way, and they can support us in our everyday life.
Which is a huge advantage, and you also talk about Stargate experience rather than a lecture or learning about
Exactly.
something, but people come to experience what you're talking about, which is wonderful. And the same goes for listening to your meditations also. Maybe not as strong, but you connect through quantum field to that same source,
Exactly,
right?
yes.
So I will ask Sandra about the upcoming event. We're so excited that you're coming back to Slovenia again.
Soon, yes.
Very soon, Sandra, kdaj se bo odvijal ta dogodek? Letos smo malo pohiteli tudi z našo oddajo, da se bodo imeli ljudje res čas prijaviti. Lani jih je kar nekaj ostalo brez te izjemne priložnosti, ker je bilo že vse pokupljeno. Nekateri, kot slišim, že imajo letalske karte mesece vnaprej kupljene, ne bi za nič zamudili tega Portoroža.
Tako, res
Nam prosim
je.
poveš, kdaj in kako priti do
Ja.
te izkušnje.
Letos bomo spet gostili, in sicer 30. aprila do 3. maja, ponovno v Portorožu, ker lokacija sama je izredno primerna. Letos gremo tudi v večjo dvorano in se že zelo veselimo tega dogodka, zato ker je Alcazar tudi napovedal odlično temo, koda za
Obilje je? Tako?
obilje, tako najboljši slovenski prevod, ja. Kako dejansko si lahko sami manifestiramo obilje in še mnogo več, ne. Tako da smo zelo počaščeni, da bo
da
ponovno
smo
spet v Sloveniji. Tako.
Okay. So Brigitte, how does it feel? You often channel, even in moment like this, Alcazar. We have a few more minutes left. Would Alcazar like to say something about why you guys are inspired? You work with Julianne Conard, which is wonderful. Also, she's coming to Portorož. Why back to Slovenia? 2 years ago we were in London, last year in Portorož. So I'll give you the last 2 minutes to see if Alcazar has something to say.
Beloved ones, we greet thee, 'tis Alcazar. And indeed it is an honor to be here with you in this moment of your time.
we return again to Slovenia for many reasons. Yes, indeed, it is relatively central to your Europe, but the energy here is very beautiful. For those who live in this country, it is normal, but for those who visit, we are touched by the genuine feeling here in the population. But also there are energetic ley lines that move through your country that assist in radiating these energies that we bring throughout your world. So this is really one of the main reasons. And also, it is such a beautiful country. People love to come and to visit here. So they come from all over the world just to experience the hospitality and the beauty of this place.
Thank you so much, Alcazar. For the end, we'll bring back Brigitte. For Brigitte is here, never left, as a zaključek, to finish off. Many people will gather together yet again, and the world is becoming a safer, a more beautiful place. And in one of the next shows, because we're running out of time, we'll ask you more about the Code of Abundance, which is coming. Can you just briefly explain what that means?
Abundance is not just having more money. Alcazar says abundance is having everything you need when you need it with a little extra to spare. And so that means the ability to travel when you want to, the ability to have time with your family when you want to, the ability to live in an environment that brings you joy and celebration rather than feeling poverty or lack or heaviness because of the pressures from work and so on. And the people that we've started to work with are already changing these environments in their lives. That's the magic. That's why it's so popular. People tell their friends, what's happened to you? Oh, I want to come too. So we're sharing this whole new way of life and a whole new way of relating with each other.
Which brings so many benefits. Sandra, torej za konec velja samo še povabilo. Bodite z nami, je tako, v Portorožu.
Bodite z nami, ne bo vam žal, življenje se vam bo spremenilo.
Ja. Hvala lepa, Sandra. Hvala lepa. Thank you so much, Brigitte. Tudi vam hvala lepa. In kot pravi Sandra, vabilo velja. Bodite z nami, res ne bo vam žal. Jaz pa za konec pogledam, kaj nam še ena čudovitih mojstric na tem planetu, Ester Hicks, ponuja. Poglejmo, kaj bo povedala tudi ta karta glede letošnjega Portoroža. Govorimo o obilju v vseh pogledih. Več denarja, več ljubezni, več zdravja in vsega dobrega. Le jaz vem, kaj je primerno zame. Samo vi ste tisti, ki boste presodili, ali vas je energija Brigita Harrisa, izjemnega človeka, in Sandra Lamut potegnila. Bodite z nami in če bo tako, se tudi vidimo in srečamo v Portorožu. Hvala lepa in srečno!